Hi there, welcome to this video presentation from MrIntegrator.com. Today we are going to analyze the NSPanel wall switch of the SONOFF brand. It comes in two gang model and it has black and white color that you can see on the code. The NSPanel EUW for white color and the NSPanel EU is for the black color. Also it comes in the US style. Also you can match them with the enclosure stand. The enclosure stand of the SONOFF will support NSPanel Pro, NSPanel EUW and EU and the NSPanel US models in two colors, the same colors to them, the black and white. Let's see inside the device. It has great functions, the remote control through the application, the timer function. You can use it inside the Evelink application and share to other users. Also you can benefit from the voice control through the Google Home and Amazon Alexa, and you can use it as a smart thermostat with on and off function. And the interesting thing is that it has a touch area and you can add different default widgets that you can define and choose from the functions that you have inside your smart home. Let's see inside the box of the white color, and in this box we have the protective material, the data sheet. The wiring is very easy. It can be found on the data sheet. As you can see, you can connect the main power supply with neutral on this, and then connect the outputs to two lighting circuits, and then using the Evelink application you can use the device and add it to the application, and after that you can benefit from the functions of the device in the application, and also add the widgets from the application account to the panel. It uses the Bluetooth pairing mode, so it is fast and easy through the application. And here, this is the device with two gangs, the temperature sensor. Also it has the wiring in the back side. You can see the protective cover. You can remove this, and then connecting the neutral and power supply, and then use the two outputs that each of them has 4 amperes total, and each of them has 2 amperes of current consumption. So you can connect normal lightings and LED lightings to this device, and the installation is very easy. You can just remove the back cover using the tip here, and then after removing you can add it to the wall box or just on the stand. And if I release this, you can see it is very easy. Just it has the up sign, and then you can put it on the stand or the wall switch, and use the screws inside the box to install them, and then again you can fix it by putting the device on the frame. I will keep it for installation on the stand. And also the black color, here we are. The black color is, I love this color because it is very interesting and futuristic, and you can add it to any design and any area. And you can see the panel. This is the same features to the white, and you can use the two gangs to control two lights, and also the touch area for controlling the functions. And the setup and installation is very easy on the stands. If I use the white stand here, okay, it has two screws for fixing. It has the needed area to enter the power supply and also the wiring outside, and then you can easily fit it and fix the screws on the base, and then put the device on it. And this is very easy to fast set up in some areas in your smart house or also in offices, and you can benefit from the easy installation of the panel in the area that you need. But this is not very good idea to use the lighting stickers on the table, so you can just use it for the control functions if you want, or you can just switch to the NSPanel Pro with more features. And in the next videos we will see the main features in action and analyze the main features of the device. Thank you for watching this video.